Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from A Matter of Crime, and the title of the video is "Woman Arrested After Attempting to Steal $1,900 in Perfume." Listen, I like my smell goods now. I got a nice cologne collection. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple of them things cost, that chicken, but man, to steal them? What you stealing them for? Because to sell them and stuff, I mean, not many people are buying colognes on Facebook Marketplace, you know what I mean? Or something like that. So it's like, what you gonna do with $1,900 worth of cologne stealing it? Or maybe trying to resell it, but yeah, whatever. Let's go, let's get into it.
She took some stuff from us, she left, dropped it off in the car, came back.
So what happened?
Just in the end, take away the perfume, dry out perfume.
We asked you earlier where the keys are. And what did you say? I don't have any keys. Turn around. Turn around.
On June 1st, 2023, officers were called to investigate a reported theft in progress at a department store. A woman had stolen over $1,000 worth of merchandise, including high-end fragrances. When officers arrived at the scene, security footage and eyewitnesses confirmed the suspect's actions.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
What's happening?
Look at you again.
What's up? So?
She stole.
No.
That's it.
That why we're here?
Yeah, done.
Say less. All right.
Matching outfit. But there's a thing though. So she has some stuff.
From other stores.
No. So she took some stuff from us. She left, dropped it off in the car, came back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
How much are you looking at?
970.
Girl, 972.
Oh, there's a pistol.
Plus the, I
Oh.
just don't know if I made a police report on
What happened?
Say less. I'm gonna go read her and I'll figure it out.
She conceals the slippers and the white pants inside the fitting room. I was there because when she came out, the merchandise was gone, but she wasn't feel sure about it, so I was like, okay, let's just let her be. That's what she concealed inside the fitting room.
She's just putting it in her bag.
Yeah, she put it all in the pink bag.
The red one?
Yeah.
Did she buy something too?
Yeah, so she paid for a couple of things and then
With the merchandise.
check. And she takes that one, puts it in the bag.
She don't think there's cameras in there? Come on, man.
She paid for stuff now and starts walking around the store. And
Yeah, she only paid for one shirt. And that's it. And then she has it, and then she conceals it.
Question. Have you ever had her arrested before? No? First time. When you say repeat offender, I'm thinking like,
That's what I said, repeat offender.
oh my gosh. This Macy's is gonna be the death of me.
That's fine.
1214 JV US.
Oh, it's unbelievable. It's great. It's great.
And what's your name?
She did some dumb shit, took his stuff.
Okay. So I'm going to talk to you because I'm the one who's going to take this. So I have to read this to you before we talk, okay? So you have the right to remain silent, do you understand? You can say yes or no.
Yes.
Anything that you say may be used against your court, do you understand?
Yes.
Alright, you have the right to talk to a lawyer before and during questioning, do you understand?
Yes.
Alright, if you cannot afford a lawyer and want one will be provided for you before questioning without charge, do you understand?
Yes.
Alright, has anyone threatened you or promised you anything to get you to talk to me?
No.
Okay, so what happened?
Just in the end, take away the perfume, dry out perfume. Stupid decision. Only.
Why?
Not that you love Carol. I know this smell nice. Sometimes I buy because I have Macy's card. Sometimes I buy and sometimes I take them.
Okay, so you've done this before?
Yeah, in this store.
Yeah. And you
That's
just,
what, yeah, just, sometimes I just buy and take them and spread them on me. Sometimes I read them. But I buy it too because I have a Macy's card.
You guys want her trespass? Yeah. You guys have form? Yeah. How did you get here? You got dropped off.
Do you have keys? You care about look?
Yeah.
You know they gonna find it. Why'd you lie?
Hello. Okay.
Alright, so here's the deal. They have you on video surveillance putting other children's clothes into the car.
They
Now,
left, yeah.
they left? Okay. Whose car is that?
That was my friend.
That was your auntie's car? Okay.
That was my friend.
So what happened with all these other things that you took? The shirts, some pants.
Oh, they left with it.
They already took that with them? Can they come bring it back?
Otherwise, what's going to happen is there are going to be accessories after the fact.
No, I got that. No, I paid for that.
Okay, and what about all these other things?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, can they bring that stuff back? Can you tell them to come bring it back?
You have to bring it back?
Yes. Did you buy it? No.
Otherwise, they're going to catch felony charges. You don't want that. Really making this harder and harder on yourself.
We asked you earlier where the keys are. And what did you say? I don't have any keys. Okay, so where are your keys?
I'm nervous.
Okay, no more nice guy. Where's the keys?
You have them on you. No shit.
Nice. You just lost all the trust. Good job.
I was nervous.
Give me the keys.
Fucked up.
You're nervous.
I'm nervous.
Give me the keys.
You're like a pro at this. You've done this like 5 times.
I'm nervous.
Stand up. Stand up.
I'm
Turn around.
nervous.
Turn around.
Sorry, I was just
Turn
nervous.
around.
I was just nervous.
You're good. You lost it.
I was just nervous, sweetie. I was just
They're in the back
nervous.
seat behind the driver's seat, right?
Yeah.
Bet.
I was just nervous.
Put your hand facing in.
I was just nervous.
That's fine.
Nope. No more subtle. We were cool. We were nice. I
Sit
tried to
down.
be cordial. You lost it.
Mr.
Good for a second.
Can you hit my back, please?
Which way did
Can I what? He knows where it is. Let's go.
The key gonna drop it, please, thanks. Hit the car. Oh, am I gonna put all the keys so long? So where's the van key?
He's putting your big purse in there, so.
Oh, then I'm gonna bring it back.
Yep, I'm just going to bring
Yep,
it
bring
right
on
back.
out the keys.
You're no kidding.
Here, widen your stance.
Eh?
Widen your stance.
Oh,
Do you have anything else on you?
no.
Alright, if you do and you go into jail, you're just gonna get in trouble and it's gonna be another charge. Okay? Nope.
Oh, sorry.
I mean, unless you want another charge, you know, for urinating.
Drop that paper towel out of your hand.
Oh,
Drop
I
it.
want it so long.
Go ahead.
Listen, the quicker you get in, the quicker we leave. I'm gonna go to jail so you can pee.
I don't want to sit down. Come on, Mom, man. I've been asked them.
Okay.
Because I take water.
Keys. There's a signal for there. Alright.
I'm saying, you don't have to key. But you can make it more.
You can call her when you get to the jail.
So why did you tell her no, so don't stay overnight? She have a key.
You can call her when you get to the jail.
So you tell your daddy number now?
You can grab it when you get to the jail.
You're going to pull the ankle?
Huh?
You're going to pull the ankle for her?
You can make a call once you get to the jail, yes. Well, once you get processed. Echo 16, 10, 15, 10, 12 for the one BRC. You can get.
Come on, man. All of this, yo, listen. Come on, man. All this copyright music, man. Come on, man. Come on, y'all. Come on, man. Listen, this better not, yo. Y'all better get it. Y'all better tighten up over there, man. Who this from? Who this from again? Yeah, AMatterOfCrime, man. Y'all need to tighten up, man. Y'all need to tighten up, man. All this copyright music, man. Come on.
Get it when you get after they book you in.
Miss.
Yep.
I'm saying they won't tow away my car.
We're not gonna tow it. If the mall wants to, they can. But
That's what I'm saying. Can you just so she come grab it now?
once we get to the jail, and once you get booked in, you can call.
But is that gonna be too late?
I don't know.
Huh?
I do not know.
You can't just do me that favor, please.
Nope.
I love it when the criminal asks for a favor. You should have thought about everything before you started committing crimes, man. Like really. And this is the first one that I've seen Macy's getting hit. You know what I mean? Typically it's like Walmart, Target, you know, a lot of times it's Target, you know, maybe Best Buy or whatever, which I don't understand because these big corporations, they are heavily cameraed up. So I don't even know why people be hitting these places because it don't make no sense. You know they gonna catch you. They may not catch you the first time, but if you continue, they gonna get you.
Nope. You lied to us.
Huh?
You lied to us.
I know, and I tell you, I was nervous. I'm sorry.
Okay, well.
I was nervous, and that's the honest to God truth.
Okay, even if you were nervous, you still lied to us. When you're nervous, that doesn't mean you lie.
That is true, and I'm sorry. I appreciate it. I'm sorry. I just want to so they could come get him.
Like I said, once we get to the jail, once you get booked in, they will let you make a phone call.
You can get a number for me, please.
Well, see, I'll tell you what. If we get to the jail and you do not pee in my car.
I'm not, but yeah.
Okay, once we get to the jail, and then after we let you use the bathroom, I will call her while we are in there, so she can pick up the car.
It's gonna be so late.
It's not gonna be late. The jail is like less than 10 minutes away.
She was later charged with felony grand theft for her involvement in the crime and was sentenced to 2 years of probation.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.